Looking for elegant lighting to place under cabinets, wardrobe shelves, or display cases? Meet VELA, a designer recessed LED luminaire in a trendy graphite finish, emitting pleasant and functional neutral light. Installation? Easier than you think. Thanks to the plug-and-play system, you can connect it in just a few moments. No soldering, no tools required. Simply insert the fixture into a pre-milled channel and the connection is straightforward. VELA is available in two lengths, 2 or 3 meters. And what if you need a shorter section? No problem. Free cut technology makes it possible to cut the luminaire at any point, and it will still illuminate perfectly. 3 different diffuser mounting options give you full freedom to set the light angle exactly where you need it. The package includes 2 end caps, one with a 2-meter cable terminated with a mini plug, as well as steel mounting clips, 6 or 10 pieces depending on the fixture length. An additional option is also available, a complete end cap set, including one end cap equipped with a built-in IR proximity switch with dimming function. A simple hand movement over the switch is all it takes to turn the light on or off, and to dim or brighten it. This configuration gives you a complete lighting control. Are you designing custom furniture? VELA Luminaire is the solution you have been waiting for. This is not just an ordinary profile. It is a free cut system that gives you total creative freedom. For more information about VELA Luminaire, visit designlight.eu. If you want to stay up to date, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.